The auto door locking and unlocking system helps add convenience as well as confidence. Customizing how the system works must be done with the vehicle parked and the ignition on. Press the home button on the steering wheel and then press the up and down arrows until settings is highlighted in the driver information interface. Press the enter button. Press the up and down arrows to highlight vehicle customization and press enter. Then use the arrow buttons to find door setup and press enter. Press the up and down arrows to highlight auto door lock and press enter. Now you can scroll with the up and down arrows through your choices. With vehicle speed, meaning the doors will auto lock when the vehicle gets to about 10 miles per hour. Shift from P, so the doors will lock when you shift out of park. And off, meaning the doors won't auto lock at all. When your desired choice is displayed, press the enter button to select it. Now, scroll with the up and down arrows until you see exit and press enter. From here, you can scroll with the up-down arrows to find auto door unlock and select it with the enter button. Use the arrow buttons to see your 4 choices for when the doors unlock automatically. They're all pretty self-explanatory. All doors when driver's door opens, all doors when shifted to park, all doors when ignition switched off, and off to disable the feature. With your choice displayed, press the enter button to select it. Then you can back your way out of all the menus by using that exit feature, or just press the home button.